Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel in another video. In this video, I'm going to do another flip cup. The colors we're going to be using for this flip cup are Artist Loft Cerulean Blue, Artist Loft Neon Orange, just for a little bit of that contrast, Liquitex Basics Primary Blue, and then an Artist Loft Titanium White. All of these colors have 1 to 2 drops of this coconut milk hair serum in it for the dimethicone to help create some cells, but I also changed it up a little bit. We also have this Liquitex Iridescent Medium. Now, if I'm not using metallics, I love using this iridescent medium because it does add a little bit of a shimmer to all the colors, and I love the shimmer in all the colors. So without further ado, we're gonna get into this pour. Again, it's gonna be a flip cup on a dry canvas with the dimethicone. So let's get right into it. Wow, look at those cells. Would you look at that? That's gonna look crazy. I'm already seeing some of that orange coming through. Beautiful. So I'm gonna pop some of these surface bubbles. Didn't let my paint sit like I normally do so that the bubbles can rise to the top. I kind of mixed it real quick. Wanted to get this out there for you guys. Just getting some really brilliant color combinations right there. That cerulean blue, that primary blue. And then that white clashing against that neon orange just looks fantastic. So I know that this part needs to get poured off. I'm not happy with the way that looks. So we're gonna get that off the canvas. Gonna try to maintain that orange line going down the center. I love that. That looks beautiful. Alright, bring that back to the middle. Kind of expand these cells on this side a little bit. It's looking gorgeous. I love it. I love it. And as I'm stretching it, all these other little cells are just cropping up to the surface. Goodness gracious, look at that. And then because I wanted to maintain that orange in the center, now I can bring it down to that corner, and that'll give me that orange line kind of separating everything. I love this. This looks awesome. And then with that iridescent medium in there, it's kind of just adding that beautiful little shimmer to everything. I love it. Looks fantastic. So let me make sure I got good coverage on these corners. Using a little bit more paint than I typically do. So as long as I got good coverage, it's going to allow this paint to still continue to flow just a little bit over the edges without messing up the composition too much. All in all, I love flip cups. You get to pick the colors, but what happens on the canvas is never exactly the way you picture it in your head. So I know there's still some surface bubbles, and I need to get rid of those. So I'm going to hit it with this heat gun a little bit. That looks phenomenal. I love that. Alright, so I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up so you can see all these tiny little intricate lacing and cells. I'm very happy with the way this ended up. Camera's not doing it too much justice, but in some of those spots you can really see how that iridescent medium added kind of a subtle little shimmer to all these colors without using a metallic. You can see there's some really delicate lacing with that cerulean blue and the way it interacted with that white.